In this video, I am going to explain some questions that are related to fractions. Basically, we are doing 4 operations of fractions. So in these questions, we are going to deal with fractions having the like denominators as well as the unlike denominators. And I will explain those fractions who are the mixed fractions as well. And so try to understand each and everything attentively. So let's start the first question. So as you can see, my first question is 2 upon 5 plus 1 over 7. So if I want to solve this particular fraction, so this is the addition of 2 unlike fractions. So to solve them, first of all, we need to make the denominator same. Right? As you can see, the denominator of the first fraction is 2 upon 5. And the denominator of the second fraction is 7. So the denominators are different. So if we take the LCM of 5 with 7, so the LCM of 5 and 7 is it's 35. So 5 and 7, the LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. So this is how you can find out the LCM of any 2 or more than 2 numbers. And you just need to multiply both of them to get the LCM that is the least common multiple. So to work out these particular fractions, I will multiply the fraction. I will multiply the first fraction by 7. I will multiply numerator and denominators both. And then I will multiply the second fraction by 5. So this is how we can make the denominator same, that needs to be 35. So when you multiply 7 by 2, you will get 14. 7 times 2 plus 1 times 5 is 5. And we can write the denominator as 35 because this is the same denominators of the both fractions. So now we just need to add the numerators. 14 plus 5 is equals to 19. So 19 upon 35 will be the answer because we cannot convert this particular fraction 19 upon 35 into a mixed fraction because this is a proper fraction. So thank you so much. I hope you understand how to add the fractions having the unlike denominators.